Hey guys, I'm John Setzler. Welcome back to Man Cave Meals. Today we're going to fire up the Lonestar pellet grill once again and do something a little fun. We are going to make a skillet chocolate chip cookie on the grill, so let's get started. We're going to get started mixing our cookies, and I'm going to give you the recipe ingredient quantities in detail in the video description. So we're going to start out with our brown sugar and a little bit of granulated sugar, and I'm going to break that up. And then I'm going to get my melted butter in here, and I'm going to get that combined. And once that's combined, I'm going to add my egg and my vanilla, and we're going to mix that. In another mixing bowl, I've got my flour, so I'm going to add my salt and my baking powder to that, and I'm going to take a small whisk and just whisk that together. And then I'm going to add that flour mixture to the sugar mixture, and I'm going to switch to a wooden spoon, and I'm going to get that combined. And you want to stir that until you've got about all of that flour mixed in. Then we're going to add our chocolate chips and some crumbled cooked bacon, and we're going to stir that in. And at this point, you don't want to have any visible dry flour still in your cookie dough. Now I've got a 10-inch cast iron skillet here that I have greased and floured, and we're going to get our cookie dough out into this skillet. And then I'm just going to take my wooden spoon and we're going to spread that all the way out to the edges of the pan. I've actually switched to my spatula here, and if you can't get it all the way out to the edge, it doesn't have to be perfect, because this thing's going to spread when we put it in the heat. I've got the Lonestar preheated and running at 350 degrees, so we're going to open up, and I'm going to set this guy up top right in the middle, and we're going to let it cook. We've been going about 30 minutes here, and I believe we're just about ready. That guy's looking pretty good. I'm going to turn the pan and I'm going to leave it in there for maybe 2 or 3 more minutes, and then we'll come back and take it out. Okay, our cookie's ready. I'm going to take this out and we're going to let it cool for about a half an hour. Okay, I've let this guy cool enough to where I can slice out a wedge of that. This makes a really nice thick cookie in this 10-inch pan, so you're going to want to let it cool a good bit before you try to cut it out. And guys, this thing's fantastic. The bacon in this cookie really makes a beautiful flavor. It kind of is reminiscent of a salted caramel, where you get that little bit of salt punch to go along with the sweetness. So guys, give this a try. Let me know what you think. Until next time, this is John Setzler with Man Cave Meals.